Alright, so I'm going to talk to you about Teachers Pay Teachers. It is a great website for any teacher. The reason I selected this one is because I've used it multiple times. It really does make teaching easy with sometimes you just don't have time to make different activities. And this has different teachers can upload their stuff, sell it, or they can give it out for free, whichever one you want. So you can either sell your own stuff or you can use your own bar stuff. The purpose for this is to get new ideas. Sometimes you're just stuck in a rut and you just have been teaching the same thing over and over and over. You want some new game or something that's going to make it exciting for the kids. So this is a fun way to find different ideas. This is made for my colleagues and other teachers so they could borrow different things. The IST standards I'm going to talk about with this would be that I'm addressing is collaborator. You collaborate with other people, and just bringing some of this, like I collaborate with 2 other teachers in my 7th grade math class, or my 6th grade math class I collaborate with 1 other teacher. Just researching different resources and material makes you a collaborator, trying to collaborate and put things together. You're a designer. You design it. Using the internet and technology that we have nowadays, you're designing lesson plans using Teachers Pay Teachers or some different website. So, now back to Teachers Pay Teachers. Okay, so there are a lot of things to this website. You can choose what 9th grade, what grade, what subject. You can choose the price you are wanting to fit into, what your resources you're looking for. There's just so many things. You can change grade categories up here. I like just using the search bar. So if I'm doing prime factorization tomorrow in my 6th grade class, I could do prime factorization. I want an activity form, so let's do that. So if we go prime factorization activity, there are ones that cost on this, but if you don't want to look at any one that costs, scroll down, prices, click on free. I don't ever really pay for them, usually. Sometimes I will, depending on how good the source is. And then you can go, I want 6th grade, so I'm going to click 6th grade. Alright, so if I come down here, you can look through which one do I want. This looks like a fun activity. So like prime factorization maze. It's free. You read the description of it, the subject's math, grades, activity. Alright, sounds fun. So you click on it and then you can read. If you scroll down here, it usually has like information like ratings and stuff about it. You can decide to download it. Usually, if you're not logged in, you're going to have to log in, but I'm already logged in, so I don't have to do that. So, download now, and then down here, it will pop up the PDF, or if it's a PowerPoint, whatever it is, pop up zip drive. Here it is. It has the answers. Most of them have the answers at the bottom. Then it has like where they can enter the work, etc. And then you can just save it. So, either download it. So if you want to download it onto the computer, save it wherever you want it to be saved, push save, and it will save onto your computer. It's that easy. It's pretty straightforward, and it's really handy when you are just wanting some kind of fun activity and you just are drawing blanks. So that's Teachers Pay Teachers for you. Thank you.